Hi guys, this is Lauren. I'm part of the team at the Kennebecasis Watershed Restoration Committee, and I am so excited to be sharing with you guys today a little bit about our organization and what our work is all about. We're also going to be jumping into 3 different positions that we have at the KWRC to show you what a typical day at our office looks like. All right, without further ado, let's jump into today's video. Before we get into the rest of the video, let's learn a bit about the KWRC. The Kennebecasis Watershed Restoration Committee is a nonprofit organization whose mission is to restore the Kennebecasis River watershed back to a sustainable ecosystem. In case you were wondering, watershed is a word used to describe an area of land that contains waters flowing into one main river. This means that the KWRC focuses their work on all the streams, brooks, and other waterways that flow into the Kennebecasis River. Here at the KWRC, we work to support the 3 main pillars of our organization, which are restoration, monitoring, and education. Today we're going to explore 3 positions at our organization that are responsible for upholding these pillars. First, let's take a look at the monitoring position. This is Leslie. Leslie is our monitoring coordinator at the KWRC. She is responsible for monitoring our restoration efforts, monitoring water quality, and other factors affecting our watershed. Her favorite part of her job is being out in nature and being able to experience wildlife up close. Here you can see Leslie doing some of our water sampling. She is using a device called a YSI meter to measure things like water temperature, pH, and oxygen content. Here she is collecting water samples that will be sent to a lab to tell us more information about the water quality. Leslie's position would be a good fit for you if you are someone who likes to be outdoors and enjoys scientific research projects. Next, let's take a look at the restoration position. This is Rachel, the Habitat Improvement Coordinator at the KWRC. Her job is to improve and restore the habitat for wildlife within our watershed. Rachel does this through planting trees and building habitat structures such as bird and duck boxes. But one of the most important parts of her job is to fix stream banks that may be eroding. When stream banks erode, it reduces water quality, which is bad for wildlife and for us. Stabilizing these stream banks helps to protect wildlife habitat while also preventing people from losing parts of their property due to erosion. Rachel's position would be a good fit for you if you are someone who likes to be outdoors and if you are interested in conservation and preservation of habitats. So now I want to tell you guys a little bit about my position at the KWRC. So my official title is Education and Outreach Officer, and I am primarily responsible for reaching out to people like you, schools, different community groups, to do education and outreach events to let people know what's going on in our watershed and how they can get involved and help. This was one of our outreach events where we harvested willow stakes for our restoration work. So one of my most favorite things about my job is that I get to be outside a lot. Every day in my job is a little bit different. Sometimes I'm in the office working on the website, working on social media posts, and coordinating education and outreach events. And other times I get to be outside, like today, and I get to be in nature and be outdoors. So in summary, if you are a person that likes to have a variety of things going on in your day, if you are a person that loves to be outdoors and in nature, and if you are a person that loves to make a difference in your community, this would be a great position for you. If you are thinking about pursuing a career in the environmental sciences, you will need a high school diploma and a diploma from a university or college. There are countless universities and colleges that offer programs in the environmental sciences. To enhance your skills the most, try to find a program that offers lots of hands-on experiences and field courses, as these types of courses are considered an asset by most employers. So if I could give you guys one piece of advice for if you are considering a career in the environmental sciences or with the KWRC, my advice would be to volunteer. Volunteer with us, volunteer with other nonprofits in your community, and that will really help you get a feel for what the job is like and what a typical day might look like in that position. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it and that you learned something. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. I'm more than happy to answer any questions that you may have, or just have a chat about if a career at the KWRC is a good fit for you, or a career in the environmental science sector in general. Also, you can follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can learn more about our organization, the work that we do, and just stay up to date on all of our projects.